Damn! Damn camera in there. Still doing it there. What is going on, everybody? So today we're gonna be making a video on something that I've been having issues with lately, and it's been the chatter of like what it sounds to be bushings. I think bushings is the issue, but it's kind of weird. It's like the car is sub 70,000 miles. So I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna jack it up real quick. All right, so me and James over here. This is James right here. He came over because I don't have a jack. But we're trying to diagnose this problem, and we're thinking that arm bushing down here is shot. Cause like, this is him moving it.
Zoom in on that jiggly.
So he's literally moving it side to side with his hand. So you could probably imagine that's not like the greatest thing ever. I was experiencing like noises and stuff coming from the front end. So that's kind of what we're thinking. But also like, I think it's a combination also this, but I don't think this has anything to do with me when I'm driving around, but I think maybe that can contribute to the noise I'm hearing. What happens with that steering rack is it's a little part, generate noise, clunkiness, and a bunch of other stuff. So I think it's a combination of the two. So what I'm gonna do as a fix is I'm gonna order new bushings. I'm gonna do a bunch of research before, but do that, get the steering rack part, which is like $27, and then just go from there. I don't know, we'll see, I'll figure it out. This video is gonna be super short. I just kind of wanted to let you guys know, maybe you're having the same issue. We were reading the forums and like people are having problems like similar to this, so maybe this will help you. Yeah, so I'm thinking like I could upgrade the control arm also, maybe get an M4 control arm. I don't know how much of a difference it'll make, but I know there's more camber capabilities with them. There's more like adjustability you can get out of it. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. It'd be appreciated. I mean, I guess I might as well do both of the fronts. That would suck, doing one, going through all the pain.
Plus, if you change the kind of bushing, you're gonna have improvement on one side and not the other that's just black.
Yeah, so I'll just do both of the fronts, and hopefully the rear isn't too bad. I don't hear anything coming from the rear, so
rear ends never have problems, dude. They're tanks.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, I gotta get that done. Just adding to the list of maintenance I gotta do on this car. I also gotta get an oil change soon because just got back from Cali, so that's about 4,000 miles of driving. So once I hit 5K, I'll buy some 5W40 and then reflash. I have a bunch of stuff I gotta do. Everything's on the agenda, so it's just gonna be a process, but I'm gonna update you guys, let you know what's going on. So, oh yeah, so I forgot. I need to flash back to Stage 2 Plus because I think there's something weird going on with the boost and how Stage 2 interprets boost with the upgraded intercooler. I think it's just over boosting because the tune is thinking that I don't have an intercooler. I don't know. I feel like a retard talking about this, so I'm just gonna do it. T-map sensor. So I'm kind of narrowing it down. I'm assuming that it's going to be the thrust arm bushing. I was saying control arms. James could even move it with his hand. He was barely trying. So, I mean, you can only imagine when you're actually driving. Also, there's a part that I need to replace on the steering rack. I forget what it's called. I'll link it in the description though, just in case y'all are looking to do it. But it's like 28 bucks. And essentially, like when you're moving the steering wheel, it makes a bunch of clunking noises. Let me see if I can actually, like that's not really what it is. It's more of a thunk. I'm just gonna do one part at a time. Maybe one will fix the whole thing, maybe not, we'll see. But I'll definitely be making videos on that. I hope each and every one of you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.